Applied business tools and technologies. What I have learned.
Good morning, sir. Today I will be discuss what I have learned about all the topics that discussed by the information technology.
Information technology and the hospitality industry covers a broad spectrum of hardware and software solutions that enable organizations to gather, organize, and analyze data that helps them achieve their goal. It is advantage for tourism and hospitality managers in general and marketing managers in particular to be aware of the recent changes in IT and their relationship with customer service.
Information technology, ang advantage nito is mas mapapadali yung trabaho sa opisina or sa work. Next is maintain business tools and technology. Companies should create rules and responsibilities for tools that are damaged as a result of negligent behavior by the user. There will also be a need reporting process to ensure that the appropriate action is taken to ensure that tools is available when next is required. Next is electronic business or e-business. Electronic business is the development of internet and external to the provision of services over the internet and by application services provided. Next is impact of e-business. An electronic business typically involves the sale and distribution of electronic devices and components and related accessories. Also, this can range from consumers electronics like smartphones, laptops, television, yung mga ganun. Business organization. Sa e-business organization, it deals with the buying and selling information, products, and services through the computer's network. And next is digital marketing strategies framework. Online marketing. Sa online marketing, utilize digital platforms and technologies, including websites, social media, email, online ads, and mobile apps. So, sa traditional marketing naman, it involves the channels. So, channels, yun din yung television, yung mga radyo, newspapers, magazines, billboard, doon sa mga building, and the flyers. So, yung mga flyers karamihan na binibigay sa kalsada. Next is virtual market. Sa virtual marketplace. Ito yung platform to bring together supply and demand as well as technology and economic requirements to optimize the employment of resources as well as selling profits. And also, sa marketplace is an online retailer that allows third parties to offer their merchandise. Next is communication tools. Ito yung mga ginagamit to communicate to the customers. Next is cybersecurity challenges. E-commerce is the purchasing and selling of merchandise and ventures of transmitting of assets and information over electronic networks. Here are the cybersecurity challenges, cybersecurity threats, payment security, privacy protection, website and application. That is the cybersecurity challenge. Next is tourism destination information. Sources of tourism destination information is traditional online platforms, destination websites, travel blog and blogs, and mobile applications.